wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rayhan. I am junior KG. I am a dog. I am a dog. I am famous as a faithful animal. Full of to eat meat and bone. What angels hold do not enter the house, but presence of a dog. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faraknat. I am in junior KG. I am a rabbit and I love to eat carrot and green vegetable. We are also carbon. We love to hop when we move from one place to another. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alaina Sheikh. I am Kapul School. I am a parrot. I love to eat chili. I am green in color. I am very intelligent. After training, I can mimic human form. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maria Nuren. I am studying in junior KG. I am a giraffe. I am the tallest land animal with a long neck and a 6 feet. My arms, lumpy eyelashes and legs, which help me to keep an eye on predators. Jazakallahu khairan. the child.